Hi, this is MT Motors. I just want to show you a little of the experience that I've encountered in my home country, Ghana. Have a look of this cylinder, the brake cylinder. They don't change the brake cylinder, rather they repair it. So this cylinder pistons has been removed and they put new seals on it. And those seals are both seals. And this gentleman is also repairing the clamp bolt, which is always resist. So just making it so soft. I put it WD-40 in. Everything was sealed, so this brake was actually not functioning. And as you can see, we have a bottle jack and Azo stand, you can say it. That little bottle down there is the Azo stand and it's a wood. Don't bother about that. So we are almost wrapping up now. He's going to assemble the brake shoe and then here we go again. Yeah. So stay tuned. Yeah, you see he's actually freeing this the brake shoe holder, which is the piston one as well. Yeah, or adjuster. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry. Whoop. Yeah. Sorry. You can't be that soft. No, man. Because most of the time, I call to one of my. All of them will run away. They will run away. Police bound to me. They can't do anything. Munya will be out here.
Different from Ghana.
No, I'm coming to me.
I'm not going. I'm not. I was saying,
you need to exercise your right.
If
you don't, they always override you.
I'm on back you. Yeah, no, Miss You'll be an advantage, not the good.
This is so bad. How many people say? More than 40 or 50 people here.
333.
You're joking.
333.
You're joking.
Masters, no boys in Congo.
Boys in Congo.
You know, are they checking boys and masters nearest to 1,000?
Wow.
And they been over 1,000, yeah.
Wow.
Because the big one call 5, 6, 4.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Masters is now going to say 140.
Yeah.
40 plus. This will be a quick 5.
Yeah, it's a clip. Pino. Yeah.
We start here and I'm going to say, Massa, we are about more face camera, the better no woman. Come on, and then if I come there, and then if I come there, and then you won't know it. You two no months in Pacumu and I say, you will take me and you couldn't make him.
That's what I know. A champion.
That's it, those.
Yeah, it's stopping you to feed your family. You don't need to wait for him.
And nobody can and then Kumasi died, they need to have 2 million.
Can you imagine?
They need to have 2 million. And so now, and then I was 2 million. a couple of billion that wouldn't be a channel.
Yeah, as you can see, the clamp is going on. You hold it and twist it, and that's it. It's perfect. Yeah.
Allez.
After any mobile, I know. No, I got on my part.
So, no, my car said, the oil day, me depending December 21 said, me, no be able to say, I know my yadi. You won't bunch of them, you know, said the mimi and one.
To go through the pin. So you can see it's going to put the pin in there, and then put the clamp wire. Don't forget this. This one is going on. See a screwdriver as a clamp there. See. As you can see, it's locked it. Perfect. And it's ready to assemble. There's a bottom clip also there to hold it in tight. That's it. That one is also gone in. Yeah. And then this one, plus the last. That one is gonna go last. This one is the one that adjusts the brake. Anytime you press the brake, you adjusted it to push. So it makes this piston to hold the drum, which is this. As a brake shoe, hold the drum, and then the car stops. Screwdriver, kitty bisa.
Oh, now what is on you?
What is what's in the yeah. What's my annoying? I just want to pay.
See now? This one is going to be all the way there. Clamp. Perfect. Was it that? No.
I don't know.
No, it's the other way around. Because I say we're in a better so not. It's gonna be tough now. It's a piano cushion to me. Yeah, there was a mistake made, so he's going to redo it again. And watch this. Oh, it's coming. It's slack. And he's going to put it back in there again. Yeah, hold it. We need another one to press it down. Yeah. Let me help you here. Okay. I got you. Means I left today. Useless. On sensor, Senka winning a fair, and only a fair, and Jebema winner slack easy now, question. Alright, the other way around. Yeah, that is a fitness, strength. Yeah, all done now. Oh, maybe could go. It's trying to make break. There's something in the brake shoe so that it will hold anytime you press quicker. And look at this. In Futrobia Newadi. Ghana. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, it's completely now. So we're going to put a brake fluid in there. to test the brake. As you can see, my man is pulling them in. Yeah. There you are. Brake fluid is going in. Filled. And then one is gonna go inside. Press the brake for us to see if it works or not. It's just a shame. I'm sorry for you guys, man. In this day and age, nobody throw nipa bebre and go. Just because of a one land, or because of the not even industry, a church. You're mad. You're mad, man. Yeah, you're mad. Aja, press the brake, you know. Try and kakransa. Back at tram. No, sorry, man. He's doing something behind. He's going to lose the bolt so we can breathe the brake or the cylinder, the brake cylinder. So he's losing that bolt over there behind the drum or the brake shoe. Which I cannot show you, I'm sorry. Yeah. Oh, you're tightening the brake shoe. Oh, okay. Oh, literally, it's actually tightening the brake shoe. Yeah. It was actually tightening the brake shoe.
Bye, go. Open and go.
Yeah, he's going to bring it to breathe the brake, and it's definitely brake. No nipple there that we need to loose so we can breathe the brake, and then make sure the brake is solid before he put the tire back on. So he's coming. He's coming with the 2, and this is 10. It's socket 10. So he's losing the cylinder bolt now, which is always difficult. Okay. All right, pump the brake. The man in pumpy. Pumpy brake in here. Yeah. Tiaso. Hold it down. Tiaso down. No more air.
Pump it.
Pump it.
Abasuru.
Yeah,
Tiaso.
so. That's it. No
Achoo.
more. No more air.
Pump it. Abasuru.
Yeah.
Tiaso. Pump it. Pump it. But I didn't. No.
No. Yeah, there's no air. Come on, friend. Yeah. So done now. So wheel is going back in. Wheel is going back on now. Yeah. We come with the grease go home. Yeah. When I'm no rust or home more. Yeah. All right. So look at that. If it's back home, we're gonna use an impact. Just grrr and you're gone. So here you have to use a manual. So look at that. This is it. Wheels on. Which either way you do it is gonna go on. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. You can see this man is using his hand, very tough hand. And I can imagine that I can use my hand like that. Never. No. We use machines. We use machines. Your impact that's what we call productivity. Because this one would waste your time. It doesn't even take me a minute to tighten all the five bolts.
Oh.
Yeah, you can see releasing the jack and the tire wheels is down. So he's going to use this one to fasten ever tighten already, which is going to use his foot. That's it. That's it. Using his foot instead of the arm. Now we have a breaker bar, we use either foot or lamb. Yeah. Done. Enjoy the video. Just share it and have fun, man.
Okay, guys.